Welcome back to the channel. So I might start today when I get there is the sauna heater hasn't been working very successfully. It takes a long time for the smoke to draw up the chimney. If you can get that done today, we might be able to have a nice sauna bath tonight. Pitää saada sitä heti täysin takas tänne. No, that's a nice little job. I might have pushed that one way a little bit. Okay, just to tap that side in a little bit. Yeah. I didn't think it was so tight.
Yeah, well,
This is tension, excitement. Let's see if it works. Well, the sauna is finally finished. It's been a very dusty and ashy job, and in the process we spread the dust in the sauna, and of course it used to smoke a lot before. There was smoke everywhere, so I'm just going to vacuum all the walls and floors and hopefully have a sauna a little bit later on.
Savua tulee.
Inkeri said if you got the wood at the front, it will smoke.
Yeah, well, no on at the back. Mun piti vähän ottaa, että koska se savus niin kova, piti vetää enemmän rakosta siihen.
Let's go in and see what it's like. Sauna. Oh, it's really nice in here. Let's have a look at the temperature. It's a little bit over 90. It's a bit warmer than I was expecting. My brother said it was only just over 70 when he last checked it. That was only like 20 minutes ago, so it has heated up quite fast. So it's working very well. We worked out the issue of the smoking. That was the hat that I had made for the top of the chimney. It was just too small. It didn't allow enough smoke to draw out. We opened it all up and now it works beautifully.